Okyalaba okwanjula n'embaga. Mukwana tulaba ku Delta TV tukole omugolo omwami yesterday family ye yonna n'agireeta ate bali so smart and classy. Tuline mami we omulala naye kati ono alinga ye taata we oli gwe twasosola ba ye mami we oba okiraba bali so smart. Mami, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm very fine, thank you.
I can see, and you look so beautiful.
Oh, thank you. It's
I like
so
your
nice
attire.
to be here.
Yeah, can you turn around? We see you some more.
Okay.
Yeah, that's so nice. Yeah, you're rocking it. You're rocking
I like it.
You like
yes,
it. It's
yeah.
comfortable.
Yes, it
Okay,
is.
this is our traditional wear here in Uganda.
Yes, I heard.
How is the experience here?
The experience are very good. It's so interesting to come here. I have never been in Africa before,
Okay.
so this is the first time. And the man who getting married, he is the colleague of my husband.
Okay.
So that's the reason that we are here.
That's good.
Yes.
What do you want to tell the couple today, the couple getting married? What do you want to tell them? Anything about marriage that will keep them together forever and ever and ever.
And never.
And ever, ever, ever.
Yeah. If they are good people, of course, it's they should be together forever and ever.
Yeah.
If they don't destroy each other. But I think the most important thing is to be honest.
To be honest.
Yes. I think that's very, very important.
How long have you been married to your husband?
All help. 43 years.
43 years.
Yes, so it's a very, very long time, I guess. Yes.
It's nice. Is there anything sweet you want to tell him today, your husband?
Oh, I'm very, very satisfied with him.
You can look at him and tell him.
Yes, very, very satisfied, and
Yeah,
I'm so
yeah,
glad that we still are married. And it means a lot when you have children and grandchildren to stay together. And we can talk a lot about the small children. I guess I couldn't talk so much about them to another person because we are grandma and grandpa. Yeah, so that's very nice.
Classic grandma and classic grandpa.
Maybe.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yep.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
How are you, sir?
Sorry.
How are you?
Yes, I think I'm fine.
You look fine. In fact, you look finer.
I have to take the age in, and then it's everything fine.
How do you call the groom?
How?
How do you call him? How are you related to him? The groom.
Sorry.
Your relationship to ditt forhold til
My relationship to Kjetil, I have known in 10, 12 years. It's the same business. So Yeah, and Julia I have known for 6 years, I think. In Nyawali.
Any message to them today?
Relax and have a good celebration because this is a great day for them, and so they can remember everything and just relaxing and have a pleasant time, I think. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Wish you the best. Kale mkwano naye bannange njogedde oluzungu. Hey, tova ku Delta TV tukole.
Sima mnoga kwizoma okuleba ngwali kiza. Gabali mnoga bwatuli namnwani we owizire kwoleka mbaziyeme abali muzale gwena ali mukamera nga witu omukoro kwaza tandika kwishengereza mbone wakwemembera. Eka tulebe ekitiisa kyawe kyongera kukanyumya omwanya tulebe izina lyawe litongolwa Mukama Ruhanga waitu nakweshengereza twaza kwinuka Mukama Ruhanga waitu ntureba ngo iri cyakora cyangwa binongo magara gatwena omwana wa Yesu Kristo Mukama waitu.
Amina. We are here to pick up the right girl for a wedding. We are here to make the encouragement.
Repeat.
We are here to make the encouragement.
Yes. What else?
What else? To pick up the right girl.
Okay. Wenu iwe mushije wesamu. Bitine kurra muriya tinakwata. Mwelu yagamba cyo mushijo.
Mushijo kuyatangukisha hano ya twine yo proneo busare no kugira mu tusare mu keceka.
Okay. And you can explain it better. Whom have you have come here to pick up a girl to make her your wife? So can you tell us who that girl is?
That girl is Julia.
Yes. Thank you.
Velkommen alle sammen.
Anything else?
Håper at dere alle får en fin kveld her, og håper at dere koser dere.
Okay. Yeah, wow. Okay, thank you very much. You got to act anything? Okay.
Dere ser kjempebra ut I dag.
Anything else?
Alle sammen ser veldig pene I dag.
Okay. We officially and say Mamushambo turetere abishiki abukureta etacweka kandi cyakabiri abiha abantu ababikizibwa batwendana nabishiki as they come babasa turetera bishunguzi aho
Yeah. Continue. Come over. Yeah. Abana baba manyire ngo batwarwa abazungu kuvuga bambe cyesino kwiriye. Kale, thank you. Go back. Mwamushambo batwaye. Batinzire kugenda bagenda cyuba. Mweko twende abandi. Watch it. Come on, come on. Yeah. Yes. You can give them transport back to their respective countries and places of work. Yeah, well. Kumshija yijana za dola kunka kuri mtu bakoresa dola nibakoresa za euro zinu bazeta manyangune ha crown. Yes. DJ akeshongoro kamani.
Natulaba ku Delta TV tukole tuli wano ne maids banange buli so smart musoke mpozinge muko mutulaba banange mutulaba bana balina life balina waka obakati ntandike naliwa mwene muli so beautiful ntandike naliwa ani asinze okunyuma ali wasinze we bale kwekiririzamu je bale ko kwana
kale nyabona je ko nyabo
kale omugole waffe omuyitotya
omugole waffe she's my landlady
dawa
echiwatule
okay
yeah
landlady nga mulungi ono no so kubere emperekeze
yeah she's so nice because na shifting ayo in 2021 so by then I was pregnant like almost 9 months so after 1 month nakomawo okuva Norway so we akomawo by that time we're in lockdown I did not have a house help but she could always do for me housework. Yeah, she was helping me and then she had a house help and she could always send her to come to me to make for me breakfast, lunch, dinner, to clean my house, to wash my clothes. So like we became good friends. And you know what? Then she surprised me with a baby shower, a very big baby shower because my husband was in Guinea. Yeah, so my husband was not around. So she surprised me with a baby shower and from then I was so moved like with her act of kindness. And then this time when she told me that she came 1 month ago, no, 2 months ago, Nangamba, she has a wedding. So I was supposed to go back to Ghana because that's where I stay. So Nemogamba, okay, I'm going to stay back and wait for the wedding. So Nenjiri in Dakati, I'm here. Yeah.
Story ya mwenjagadde.
Yes.
Yabikola lwakuba osasula bulungi rent.
No. Yaja. In fact, she came that very day, and then she came in my house because like I was a new tenant. So Nandaba, she greeted me, and she was so happy because she said I was humble and respectful, and she has not seen any tenant like that. So indeed, I'm a nice person. So and she's a nice person. So we became friends from then. Yeah. So I had to wait for this day because like she was good to me. So I had to postpone my flight and wait for this day. So I'm here and I thank God that this day is a successful day.
Kale mkwano. Bako bakabo bagamba abagole mkwano.
Abagole mbawishing a very good marriage, happiness and peace. Era njaga bagamba abagole baffe tubagala nnyo. We treasure them from bottom of our hearts.
Kale dia bwe katukuleke kati gogende tufuneyo ko onomu bana balla bagende mukwano babale kunyuma
babale sima
kunyumye chikoge
neanza
ngole wafo mwitoti
she's my sister, she's my old sister.
Okay.
She's my cousin. My mom is the paternal aunt. Thengawe. She's good. Whenever she's out, she helps us like at school, that stuff. She's good, she's jolly, she's everything to us.
Mchalo ya like mulungi kuba buli mwa mwogede ko bulungi.
Yeah, she's good.
Oyagala mugamba kirero.
I wish her happy marriage. Because like for us we are not married, so we don't know what is there, but I wish her well.
Kale dia mugambe mulunyankole.
Juliet ninkwendeza okushwere bulungi ntukukunda munonga ba sisters bawe even the brothers abatari hani kukantukunda munonga.
Kale dia bona fumbira di
I don't know. Sacha katonda
ononya tononya.
I'm not looking for.
kale dia kwagaiza olunaku olungi kale bambi tova ku Delta TV tukole tukyali mu kunyumira omukolo guno nkwagala nnyo njagala okugamba nti nze abankozeeko enviiri ne makeup abasibyeko pencil n'abanyambaza olugoye be banafe aba Sharitas by the World and School of Beauty era nga tulina engoye bweziti emishanana tulina sari tulina suuka tulina gown changing dresses mid dresses tulina saluni ekola ku bagole mukwano ate era mukwano tugamba tutegeka omukolo gwonna mu lunaku lumu okitegedde mukwano tuli ku Nkrumah Road wakomesi mubakiyita Sal Complex ate obeera oyagala okusoma ebyenviiri tutandikira ku mitwalo 10 tuli mukwaniriza abapya tulina day ne boarding fe abaana baffe basoma practical zokka ate era mukwano nga nyongera okugamba nti nno ekisulo wekiridde ne boarding tuli licensed by Ministry of Education and Sports mu department ya DIT nkwagala nnyo katongera okunyumira okuhinjira ne giveaway kwa mwana mwala Julia n'omwami we linnya lyo lizibuzibu kubanga ali anowe nkwagala nnyo tovaawo okyalaba okwanjula n'embaga